Today my mom is making Nagasari.
So guys, ini adonan Nagasari ni ready na. Hudi tahang nebe hawa mos sotona. Hudi atau tahu bah makna bah. Ia agora hafoti adonan tuan. Tahu ya hudi ni tahang. Usa spatula. Ia foti hudi nebe mah kuatena. Tahu bah ni leteng. Nansane. Ia agora foti adonan tuan. Takaba hudi ni leteng nansane. Ya agora ita taka adonan hudi tahang ne, ita lulungan sana Afin primeira vez halo nebe lulung sedak mahiri de, yang sana de. Tadan, jadi deh. Ita halo sana to adonan remata. So guys, adonan hafalong hotona. Iane hetan 20 biji Kue Nagasari. Maske la perfeito, mai be hau koko hatu halo na fating. So agora hau tulori ba kukusona. Hau tahu hutu kedas Nagasari ne ba ia sanang kukus lara. Hau se kukus durante 20 minutos. Hau tahu hamutu kasnede. Hau sehat tudo nian hasil wan hira quando Nagasari ne tasak, okay? So guys, agora hau atua rumah lai buat first na di fase. E depois de arrumar e fazer buat roto, sambil Tepung Nagasari tasak, depois mak hausya tudo Nagasari nia hasil ikus lebih mau halas. So guys, agora eu tudo Nagasari nebe mau halo. Mai telok mutu ko di hare. Sei manas hela. Jadi deh. Contente lo soni resultado. Maske foi primeira vez ao halo. Maybe ni hasil makne.
That's gooey. Try it. Taste try.
Now daddy turn to
Taste.
taste.
No, in my apples. Do you like apples?
Very good.
I'll try some.
Paramita nih 11 12.
Ya, wow. Dia 12, para minta 11.
Lulung meladun dia. Yummy.
No, look at Michaela. Mommy, can I try one?
Like one by one.
Apples.
Ini perfect loh. Look at that.
Better, that's perfect.
Wow.
What's in it?
Mas.
Ayam manis is in it.
Ini manas nih.
Wait, what is it? What's inside of it?
Eat.
There's no way I'm eating that.
Look at that. Look at that.
What's in
Look
it?
at that.
What's in it though?
Can I try one, Mommy?
That's good.
Nih.
This one.
Hudi. Hudi.
Wait, what's in it?
Hudi.
10. Woo.
This is banana.
Oh, it's good.
Oh, banana pop.
Yeah. Eat when it's cold. Okay.
It's good.
I really want to have some.
Where'd you
And
get
now
the leaves from?
V will get some.
Oh, they smell like what's it called?
What's
Tea
the outside?
shop.
Yeah, I know.
Apoy datang. Sabi mo dyan.
I want to have one.
Dane,
Can I have this one after? Because
Dale.
it's smaller.
It's called Nagasari.
What is it?
Ala Mama Ella. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
Sha, yeah, it smells like sha.
Buat hang maliring madiak. Hang mana sih?
Oh, eating manis makes it taste good.
Tastes like bandana.
Yeah, it's bandera flower. You go slower.
No, I have this.
Mm.
Or just small.
There you go.
Very good.
How do I open it? Never mind, this one's too. This one's too.
Lulong mak laten eh.
Yeah, I don't know how to. Oh, it's so
Lulong mak
cool.
sedap mahir. Rasa
Are we supposed to eat this?
enak kok.
What if we eat this?
Ih.
Oh, monster's hot.
Wow. Come on. Open.
Wow.
Wow.
Kue.
Open first. Open the leaf. Open.
Open.
Open. Surprise.
That's a bit
Open.
big.
Oh, wow. Come on. Yummy?
Yummy. What?
Come on, eat. Hot. Still hot. Blow. Ne Hudi halo uza Hudi benene uza Hudi test ko niyan enxe.
Banana.
Yummy. And cool down ma eat. Cool down le. Eat na.
Why does Grisella look at it? We got
En lai maliring mahan. Tama sila kar koko ne maliring le.
But I want rice.
Yes.
I want a coco.
Give
her the banana, because it's a banana.
Okay, your coco.
I'm cocoing. Oh, coco. How do you open this? Is that...
Nou, we gaan zitten aan.
Don't eat the green. Don't eat the green.
Mami ben. Lulung malah sila diak.
The lulun isn't so...
Ooh.
Yummy. She's training it for the apple.
You can eat with spoon. Get spoon and eat.
This is what I got for my
See?
birthday.
Cool down na. You like it?
Whoa, really good.
Eat now.
The bananas are more.
Yeah, banana. Ne mami usa fal test ko niyan. Los banana hudi fato.
They took the whole thing out. The banana is good. Banana is like a little bit like, mata. Look at the